Welcome to our 2026 cheer hair tutorial.
So you're going to start by putting the gel in your cheerleader's hair and you're going to just work it through the roots and not really going into the ponytail at all. You're then going to put your athlete's hair into a high ponytail with 5 fingers from the start of their hairline. This doesn't have to be perfect, this is just a rough pony at the start. Here you're going to fix up anything, put more gel in, brush the ponytail up, and this is when you can readjust the ponytail to make sure that all the hair is slick. Now you're going to just brush up any of your wispies, making sure they're gelled down, and remember that at the base of your ponytail, if it's bumpy, it doesn't matter, nobody's going to see that. And now you're just going to section your ponytail into little sections and tease these sections. So you're going to hold the end of the section in your hand and brush down with the comb towards the base of the ponytail. Make sure that you're not teasing the entire section of hair. You want to leave a tail because this is what we're going to be able to curl later. Just a reminder, we're just teasing at the very base of the ponytail and making sure that we're leaving a bit of a tail there. Still teasing majority of the hair, but making sure that there is a tail left behind. Here, Hannah and I realised that we haven't used any hairspray, so make sure that you use hairspray. Each time you do a section, hairspray it. This makes the section stick together, so they all stay combined.
And the reason we did not use hairspray is because it is Wednesday. I washed my hair maybe Saturday, so it's really dirty, so it's staying. So make sure you don't wash your athlete's hair the day before or anything like that, because it's going to be really slick and smooth and silky and not hold.
And this is where I remember to do it properly and hairspray each section after I tease it to make sure that it stays. And now that we're at the very last few pieces of the front of the ponytail, we're just going to tease it slightly, if not at all, depending on how your athlete's hair looks, and just smooth it over the rest of the teased hair so that you have a smooth finish at the top. Regardless of this, you can use a slick back brush or your teasing brush to just smooth out the top of the ponytail here. And now that you've left your tails, you should have a decent amount of hair to curl. I curl alternate directions, so I do one in one direction and one in the other direction, but this is completely up to preference. It just depends how it sits and how you want to curl it, as long as your ends of your ponytail are curled. It's about halfway of your ponytail that's curled. Make sure you hairspray your curls so that they hold, and just spray the entire head. Cover it in hairspray, make it hold. And now you're going to add your bow. Yes, you're adding it at the very end. You're just going to place your bow on and pull the hair tie over the hair. Remember that this hair tie isn't meant to act as a real hair tie, it's just to hold your bow there, and bobby pin the hair tie in place so that your bow doesn't move around. 2 bobby pins should be fine for this.
Ta-da! 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 Ooh la la! Ta-da! 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 I'm a star! Ooh la la! Superstar! Watch me.
We found that the easiest way to take out the cheer hair is to just brush it in the ponytail still, just with a normal fat hairbrush, and then to take the ponytail out, jump in the shower, wash your hair. Less pain, easiest way to do it.
Thanks!